Welcome back to the channel, ladies and gentlemen. My name is MasterS9886. If you're tuning in for the first time, be sure to hit that subscribe button. Here you'll see a bunch of different stuff, from games to unboxings to all different types of videos here. So be sure to hit that subscribe button. Today, as you guys can tell, we're doing an unboxing of a mystery part here for one of the new projects that we're working on here. You guys will be able to tell that for this video we're actually having a second camera setup running here. So hopefully you guys have two angles here. So let's get into this unboxing. It's gonna be nice and simple. I purchased this online Tuesday night and it came Thursday, which was the nice thing about it. And it came relatively quick, and I'm actually pretty thrilled because they actually have free next day delivery to where I live, which is going to be pretty nice because then I can actually order stuff and actually get it here pretty quick. Inside here, just the standard receipt for that all. Different types of wrapping here, just put that to the side, and the powerful 850 watt power supply unit here going to be used for powering the new beast that we are building here. Let me move that out of the way. It is an EVGA Supernova 850 watt. It is an 80 plus certification here, so it's going to be pretty nice. Going to pack a lot of power for the new build for the beast. So we're just going to go through here, get rid of some of this wrap. Try to be careful here. I don't want to cut the box too bad. And that should hopefully be good there. We'll put that to the side. As I said, we are building the beast of a computer here. It's going to be a pretty fun build. Get that put off to the side there. Get rid of that. And then on the inside, looks like we got one more seal we have to go through. Alright, so we got that all opened up. And we're just going to open it up, and it opens up that way. So let's see about getting it put like that. Get it there. It is a fully module unit here, which is going to be nice. Instruction manual, we'll have to refer to that during the build. There's a few standard things, probably case holders, whatnot. You can probably put everything. Pretty much help keep things clutter free here. As I said, it is fully module here, so we do have the power supply coming into the unit, as well as zip ties. It looks like it's actually a Velcro, which is going to be nice for cable management. And then we do have some nice black sleeving here to make it a pretty nice build here. It looks like those are going to be the SATA cables and a 3-pin CPU power supply. A lot of cables. That's actually surprising here. I know for my current build that I have here, I didn't use that much in the way of cables. Looks like maybe converters and extenders, whatnot here, so we're going to have to look into that a little bit more. But overall, it is a pretty nice build there. You got the motherboard here. It's going to be pretty fun getting back into it here. All nice parts. Just a bunch of other stuff, and it looks like an adapter pin of some sort. Or actually, it's one of those kind of like a crossover type things. I forget what they're called. As you guys can see here, we do have the beast, the actual power supply unit here, in a nice wrapping here. Not even like a wrapping, like a nice sleeve that you can put it all in. Just get that out of there, and a beautiful look. A nice big beefy fan on the bottom there. Fully powerful here, 850 watt Gold Plus rating here. And as you guys can see, it does have the pins there, so it makes it fully module. And it is a power supply unit here. But it's going to be pretty nice here. We're going to get this put aside here and get into the parts here, waiting for all the parts to come here. I'm not going to do an unboxing to every single part, but we are going to have it used for some of them here, a few of the major important ones. Ladies and gentlemen, if you like the video, be sure to hit that like button, subscribe, comment, and as always, I'll see you next video.